How to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. So if you don't want to make sure your profile picture is not able to zoom or zoomed by other, then in that case what you need to do is first head over to your profile picture or profile icon over here, and once inside here just tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and scroll down until you see the option called account privacy under the who can see your content option. So just tap on this section and here you should be seeing a feature regarding your user profile picture extension or expansion. So you just need to disable it. So as you can see, it's not available in my region. Maybe my account doesn't support that option. So in that case what you can do instead is just come over to your profile and just click on this edit profile button over here. So once inside here you should see the option to edit your picture or avatar, and if it's not showing then you can just try to upload different image, but if it's showing then you can just tap on this avatar button over here and just click on edit avatar and use the different avatar, and by setting up you should successfully set that avatar icon as your profile picture, due to which no one will be able to zoom in on that avatar. Or you can simply delete your photo if it's not available on your case. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.